nothing but the chuck,
Just the
right?
meat.
Just the meat, right? Okay. And then what's the next step?
The next step is put all the butter in the fry pan.
Okay, how much butter?
I'll show you. It's on the table.
Okay, we have to get a lot of juice out of this though, right?
And how many pounds of meat are in there?
2.5 pounds of meat.
Okay.
I thought Dad got 2 pounds.
2.5.
Oh, all right. That's good.
That's good?
Yeah, throw that away.
Okay.
We're all set.
Okay. So what's the butter's next?
Over on the table, and bring me the olive oil.
Okay.
Put all the butter.
All this butter?
Yeah.
So 3/4 of a cup of butter.
3/4 of a stick.
Yeah, put the
Yeah,
butter in.
but
Okay.
1 stick is 1 cup.
No, it's not.
No?
It's a half a cup.
Half?
Yeah.
Isn't there more butter on the table?
More butter? So a stick.
Whatever's there.
So a
So full
of
stick
butter.
of butter.
Really,
Full
Okay.
stick of butter.
Yeah, that's
Okay.
about it.
Okay.
Okay. Now,
Now what?
bring the big pot over here because we need that big burner for the fry pan. Watch your olive oil. Okay. Now,
Okay, turn it on.
yeah,
Okay.
and put some olive oil.
Okay.
And the pepper falls apart.
Like a turn.
Cut it, it's soft, and then it just
A little more.
folds around the meat.
Oh, so like 2
That's-
tablespoons.
That's all right.
2
That's good.
tablespoons.
You got that
Enough
on.
to cover
The whole pan.
the pan. Wow.
Okay, you're all set. Now bring your celery and your onions.
Okay, well, why don't we wait until it's...
Well, whenever.
Okay, and this is 1.5 pounds of white onions and celery.
Well, you know, Christina and Michael, they'll know if they get a container like that, how much they scoop in.
Well, how much are we going to scoop in? The whole thing?
Yeah,
Okay.
so you know how much.
Don't you have a...
Butter's nice and melty.
What do you want, a big spoon?
Yeah, no. I like this one better. Okay. Oh boy, this is going to be good. Mom. And we made enough that everybody's going to have peppers. Right?
Oh, yeah.
Okay.
And this is our birthday dinner, Mom.
Oh, really?
Yes, your
That's
birthday,
nice.
isn't your birthday Monday?
I think so.
Yes.
Happy
That's
birthday!
Happy birthday.
Martin Luther King
Uh-huh.
Day.
birthday.
And Jean the Queen's
Oh,
birthday.
where's my, I took it off my refrigerator.
Jean the Queen's birthday.
Jean the Queen.
90 years old, right? Oh my goodness.
Don't tell anybody.
No.
Not only that, but somebody will go, what? What?
Yeah, that's right. What? All of it?
Mm-hmm.
Okay. Did you go get this or did Dad go get this?
Dad went and got it, and I told him he should have.
And
Separated.
when you get it, how much do you get?
What I do is
What
I
do you
get,
You get what?
I don't mix the celery.
No,
With the
I know
onion.
that, but when you get it, what do you tell them when you get it?
I take
Separate.
it myself from the salad bar.
Oh,
It's all chopped up.
oh, so we
So
don't
you-
really know.
So you know.
So what do you get when you're there? Like
Oh,
one
you
big
get
can.
You
one
get
of
one
these.
big container like this
Yeah.
of both the celery and the.
See, I like mine separate because
I know,
celery-
Mom, but we
Well, let
need
her
to know-
finish.
Okay.
You mix it if you want. That's fine.
So you like it separate? Why, Yaya?
Because the
Well, Patty, your
The onion's
cel-
going
Your
first.
butter didn't get sizzly. What are you
It's
doing?
fine, Mom.
That's fine? Okay. If you say it's fine,
The butter didn't get sizzly. So,
put it all
It's
in
all right.
there.
okay, so when you go to the salad bar,
You get that much onion and celery.
how much onion do you get? Not this whole container.
Oh,
This
yeah.
is,
No,
this is a
not.
big container.
Yeah, you get
So
half,
you get
half container of onion and half container of celery.
Okay.
this. Okay.
Yeah, the big one.
Okay. Well, then this is perfect. I gave you. Oh yeah, you do.
So it's Uncle
Uncle
Ben's.
Ben's original rice.
1 cup.
1 cup, right?
Yeah. And usually I look at my rice.
Yeah, but you
We're not, yeah. About a cup?
That's good.
Okay, put it in here.
put it in here.
Mm-hmm. Oh, that's good.
That's right. But that's
Now put your,
Hers tastes different than mine.
put that away. And take this and put it on the table, Patty.
Put this on the table.
Yeah, clean all that stuff there. I'm sorry, I had all my paperwork.
That's okay. Here, let's put this. Let's put this. I'm gonna put it
You don't have to wash
Put
that.
that there, man.
And move on my, I was doing paperwork there.
Oh, and then there's Michael.
Yeah,
Oh yeah, there's Michael. Well, here you do with Yiayia. You can do the.
Oh, no, I don't have to do this. I'm just moving this around.
Christina's gonna do that.
Oh yeah, Yiayia, look at me
Yeah,
over
it's in
here.
there.
Yiayia. There's Yiayia. And there's
We're
Christina.
cooking together. I'm learning
We
all
are-
the family recipes.
We are gonna make the best peppers. Michael,
Let's see, Patty.
for Yiayia's birthday. What,
You
Mom?
know you've moved all that paperwork, so we're not cooking on the
Right.
table there. Look at
Right.
look at Zorba. She's looking for food.
Yes, she
Scavenger.
is. Hi, Zorba. Hi, Zorby. Hi. At Yiayia's. Say hi at Yiayia's. Eating off the floor. Oh, yes. Do you love it, Zorba? Oh, yes, she does.
Christina and I get a can of
So now that
another-
this has been
I
cooked
think
down,
we put 1.5
Okay.
sticks of butter,
Okay.
and we put olive oil,
You want more olive
a
oil?
little bit.
Okay.
It's good with the tomato sauce.
Okay.
And you could
well, I'd
put your
say that's the key to it being delicious.
and you could put your butter away. Not
Okay,
not
well.
too much. That's plenty, Patty. Put your butter away.
Okay, Mom.
Who is it?
Who is it? Oh, forget it. Let it go to the voicemail.
Yeah, she'll leave a message from Colorado.
Yeah. Theovasha died. Poor Theovasha. But Theovasha was 98,
Wow.
so.
She's my only first cousin.
Theovasha?
Yep.
I'll call them.
Call her back and tell her we were making peppers. You want more salt and pepper?
No.
Just that little bit?
Yeah, put that.
Okay, good.
Okay, Christina.
Okay, Christina is gonna mix the meat and the rice
And
in the
you're
bowl.
gonna
The
bring
meat
me,
that's not cooked with the
Patty.
rice that's not cooked, which is very strange.
I think that's how they do it, though.
You do?
Yeah, because I think when
Like
when
meatloaf?
we make
Or like
when we make stuffed cabbage, I think they put in just the raw rice and it cooks
oh, in the
meat.
in the meat.
Yeah.
Oh, I've got my hands on the camera on your hands instead of your
Oh, don't worry.
pretty face.
Neither my hands nor my
Patty,
face are
you
that
can
stuff.
lower this.
What we're gonna do now? We're
We're
gonna
gonna
take
put the can
the whole can. Say the whole can of tomato sauce in with the
there.
in here.
Right.
Okay.
That's fine. Now you mix it up, or Christina can mix it
You
up.
can mix it.
Okay. So we're gonna mix it up.
Right.
This looks pretty good, Mom.
And you don't put salt because everybody can salt their own food.
Well,
And the tomato sauce has salt in it, so
Right.
it shouldn't be.
yeah. Well,
Oh, yummy!
these look good,
Look
Mom.
at that.
Doesn't
Hey,
this
get
look
rid
good?
of this, Patty.
Okay.
And
Okay.
let that simmer.
Okay.
Got about it. Oh, Patty, you did a great job on the peppers.
Yeah, tell Christina what a good job I did on the peppers.
You did clean them very
I
nice.
cleaned the
Oh, so you
peppers
came at 8 o'clock last night.
to clean the peppers so that I didn't have to do it this morning.
Give me the big kutala.
Oh, okay. So we got the
You
big
put the-
kutala. This is a kutala,
The spoon.
the spoon.
This is what Thea Diane used to tell the kids she was going to whack them with.
Oh.
And they'd say, oh, no, don't do that.
With the big spoon, she'd whack the kids?
Yeah, and I never hit the kids with the big spoon. My hand was good enough to whack them.
Yeah, that's what I would say. Oh, maybe not.
Well, you don't have to use the paper there.
It's all right. Might as well. So,
Oh, wait, Christina. Hold
okay. I'll move the spoon.
on. A little bit at a time, not everything, just a little bit.
Do you want me to just spoon it in instead of
Yeah.
dumping it in?
You want
Okay.
the bigger one?
This is fine. This is pretty big. Okay.
Spoon it in.
Spread it around?
Yeah, don't burn yourself.
Okay.
You got somebody who's kind of a fair dealing on.
Oh, yeah, because you got to get your hands in there,
And
so
then
you don't want it to
Christina's
be...
gonna get her hands in there.
Yeah, but,
After
okay,
school's
stop
out.
now because it's too hot already, I can tell. And it'll be hot for Christina, Mom.
In the pot?
Yeah,
Okay.
in the pot. I see, in the pot. Yeah,
Okay. So then we start mixing it around.
mix it around.
I'll hold it, Christina.
Okay.
I'll hold it. You just watch.
Oh, that's good, yeah.
Okay. This needs some more wet. This is a dry area over here.
Well, one of us will get our hands in there. and
Yeah,
mix it up, right?
Of course.
I'm not scared.
Oh, yeah.
As
I can do
long
it.
as
I'm
it,
not scared.
I'm not.
no, as
No,
long
you're
as
not.
It cools off a little.
Believe me, I know you're not scared.
Okay.
You are fearless, actually. She
Well,
doesn't need to put her hands in that, Mom. It's very
well,
moist.
there are like some areas.
Oh,
You
okay,
have
well,
to,
Yeah.
Patty, because you want it to be in the peppers.
okay.
where
Okay,
it should be.
Christina can do
Here,
everything.
give me this. Yeah, take that, Patty.
All right. It's
Oh,
not bad. I can
that's-
do it.
Patty, did you like the other smaller ones? Bring them all to the table.
Hold on, Mom, because we've got to get these
And
all
then
in
we're
here.
gonna get. And then you get a pot holder, we have to move the rack.
Does that work okay?
Yeah, but just to wait. And get the part that, see this part here?
Yeah.
It's smooth.
The flat part?
Yeah, the flat part. And
So we got to put the flat part on the... So they're flat.
Okay, can you show me on the pepper? Which,
Yeah, well, it's kind of a feel kind of thing. See how this is grooved more? And this is flatter.
okay,
So-
so that's the one that goes,
Yeah.
the flat
So
side
the
goes down.
flat,
So
the
which is-
flattest side of the pepper.
and it'll be easier when you want to turn them over. Okay, how's this?
That's fine.
What do you think?
That's fine.
What's
fine.
easy?
No,
Great job, Mom.
I didn't think we were gonna
You
do that.
think so?
And
Yeah.
ultimately,
We're terrible.
Yeah.
that's amazing. That is amazing.
Yeah.
Okay, Mom, they're
Okay.
perfect.
All right, come on,
That's
Christina.
amazing. How did that happen?
I don't know, but she fit them all in with room to
Come on,
spare.
girls, you're gonna start
How did that happen?
I don't know.
steady
Okay.
with.
So there's no answer? You can't just keep going. Yeah, well, we just keep going. Well, guess what?
How's the consistency feel?
Is it good? The consistency is good?
Very nice.
The best teams, what do? They adapt
Very,
to this
very
stuff.
nice.
And Oregon has no ability to
And if there's any leftovers, you can take it and stuff zucchini or tomato.
Okay.
Okay, now you girls are gonna do
And there,
this.
that's pretty, that's not full to the top.
Yeah,
See
you
that?
don't want
Yeah.
full.
So we don't
Here.
want to, we don't want to
Kind of
fill
show
them.
different angles. Okay. So there's like a half inch at the top.
Yeah.
Okay, come on.
Okay, Mom, we will.
Hi,
You can
this-
do one more, and then you
No,
gotta
no,
sit
I'm
down.
just gonna do this, and then you're
You're
gonna
gonna
do,
sit down, and then we'll do it.
and then you're gonna do it.
That's
And
a
you're
big
not-
pepper.
You're not gonna stuff it too much.
Oh, you can't push it down too much, right?
No, because then
Okay,
they will
sit
be.
down now, Mom. We'll do
I
it,
will, and
and you can watch us, okay? So sit.
I'll go
right-
wash my hands.
Go
Start.
wash your hands first, and we'll wait for you. All moved. So now what?
Let's see what they look like. Ooh,
Oh,
yummy.
goody.
And you move the rag. Oh my gosh. Pusu. Namina baskafi.
Pusu. Pusu.
Okay.
Okay, Mom. How much?
Thanks, Christine.
You're welcome.
Wow. A block. LeBron James.
Okay, like a half a can in that.
Not even.
Not even.
No,
Yeah.
because they might.
Oh yeah, there's a pretty.
And I didn't fill the can all the way.
Oh no. Okay, so a quarter of a cup.
13 seasons. He only played 65 games. He only played less than 75 games once.
If we need more sauce, we'll do it later.
Okay.
Put that
I
down.
can't really
Thanks,
see how.
Where are your pots?
Right. So you can see that water.
We've never
yeah,
had
there you
pictures of the peppers taken.
Right.
Just the
there,
curanderas.
There.
Okay.
Yep. Okay. Go up here.
No,
Mom, we can only do it one way. There isn't any
no,
other.
no, the bottom, this goes at the bottom. Be
Okay,
very
then I have to
careful.
move. Oh no, there's plenty of juice, Mom.
So do you turn them all the way?
Over.
Okay. So this one needs another quarter turn.
Oh yeah. Sorry.
Oh, that's okay.
See, it's not gonna. Well,
It's
yeah.
not gonna lay right.
Right.
Okay. Then do whatever.
These need a lot of time, though. I don't know how they could be done in another 45 minutes. It seems like they're not.
We are at an hour and a half. They're wrinkly on the skins and a little bit browny looking.
Here.
Looking good. And here's our next other one. Looking great.
Okay, you guys, we're ready.
We're ready. You're at
Yeah, he's
home,
ready.
ready or not.
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, dear mommy. Happy birthday to you. And we wish you many more.
Many more.
Many, 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 many more.
There you go.
There.
Yeah.
Did you make a good wish?
Of course.
Good. Happy birthday, Yiayia.
I always make a wish.
Oh.
And here's your card, Yiayia, from
Right.
Christine.
Your card, guys.